Good evening. Thank you for stopping by and visiting with us tonight. Yesterday, I was in a Word document and I needed to see the formatting for the document. And in Word, if you hit Shift and the F1 function key, it will bring up a little window that lists the formatting for the document. So I did that. I hit Shift F1 and muted my speaker system. That's because Asus has redefined the functions for the function keys. If you hit F6, for instance, it's going to go through the different modes for the Screenpad. You can use the function key to change the brightness of the main display or the backlighting on the keyboard, change the volume on the speaker or mute the speaker. So I couldn't for the life of me figure out how to get the function keys to work like I'm used to having them work inside Word. And the same thing applies for Excel and PowerPoint. I finally figured out how to do it. There's a way to shift the mode between the defined Asus functions for the function keys and to change them back the way that you're used to using the function keys. So let's take a look at that, how that works.
Now I have a Windows document up on the main display, and I would like to be able to see the format window that tells me how things are formatted in the document. Normally you would do that by holding down Shift and typing F1. But instead, what that does is mute and unmute the speaker system because Asus has redefined the assignments to the function keys and calls them hotkey combinations. So how do I get it back to the regular function key assignments that I'm used to using in Windows, Excel, and PowerPoint? It's actually fairly simple. Over here between the control button and the Windows button is a function key. Hold down the function key first and type escape, and then you will see it's toggling between the hotkey assignments made by Asus and the regular function key assignments that we're all used to. So if you leave it on the function key assignment there, you'll notice that there is now a white light on the function key letting you know that you are in function key mode. So now if I hit Shift F1, I get the window that I'm looking for. Then if I hit this function escape, now I'm back to the Asus hotkey priorities. And so that is how you change things from the hotkey priority system set up by Asus and the normal F function key functions that you're used to. Thank you for watching. I hope you found something useful. And if you did, please like and share. You can leave some comments down below. On this side is a link to the original video, the unboxing and first view of the 532EQ. And on this side is a link for the subscription to the channel. Thank you again and hope to see you next time.